Make a great choice today with the 2025 AMG GT. The Mercedes-Benz AMG GT can be summed up in 3 words: luxurious, fast, and agile. This vehicle is certain to turn plenty of heads and leave you begging for more time behind the wheel. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.